How long does paint protection film last? Let's find out. As you know, paint protection film is designed to protect your vehicle from everyday driving. It protects your car's paint from scratches, rock chips, and fading from UV light. But how long does paint protection film really last? Morgan?
Normally, paint protection film can last 5 to 10 years or more, depending on how you maintain it. Honestly, it depends on 3 things: the quality of the film, the application process, and how you maintain the vehicle.
It's not just about having the film installed and forgetting about it. How you treat your vehicle afterwards really does matter. Regular washes with PPF-friendly products will keep your vehicle's appearance like new. Brands that I recommend are Americana. Their quick detailer spray is awesome for this. It's a waterless base solution that works with just a microfiber rag, and you can pretty much remove any type of tarnish or grime on your vehicle. It's important to have your vehicle checked by professionals annually. This will ensure the film is fully covering all panels and the effectiveness of the film is protecting your vehicle. This is why doing your own research is so crucial. When you do decide to have paint protection film installed, you go to an experienced professional installer who has a warranty attached to their film. And even though paint protection film is not forever, with the right maintenance, it's your best choice for keeping your vehicle looking like new. Once again, guys, I'm Ben with Ceramic Pro. If you have any questions or comments, please drop them down below.